These days, everyone's online trying to teach you how to get rich. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build wealth online. Because 5 years ago, I was struggling, like many of you, working my ass off in a corporate job, from which I got fired anyway. Today, alhamdulillah, I have worked with multiple 6 and 7 figure entrepreneurs, businesses. But more importantly than the money, I get to work from wherever I want. Last month I was traveling. This week I'm back at home. And as long as I've got my laptop and an internet connection, I can provide for my family, pray on time, and I'm doing it in a way that pleases Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The truth is, getting your first 100K online isn't about working harder. It's about building a system. And that system has 5 components working all together. Now, everything starts with what you sell and who you sell it to. No, actually, think about it. When someone buys, let's say, Islamic calligraphy for their home, they're not just buying some ink on paper. They are buying a beautiful reminder of Allah in their living space. When someone hires you, let's say for business consultation, they are not buying your time. They are buying freedom from confusion and a path to success. So first, you need to pick your perfect customer. In marketing, we call this an avatar. For most of you watching this, your avatar should be modeled after your best client. In every piece of content you create, you are speaking directly to that person. Even right now, the way I'm speaking and the examples I'm using, I know my perfect client. Now, you have probably got some level of mastery, Hafiz Quran, accountant, agency, or business owner, whatever, but you want to take that online. Because many of you right now are selling your time by the hour for a set amount of money. Whether you are a Quran teacher charging $20 per hour, or a fitness coach at $45 per session, or a business consultant billing per session, you are looking to move to outcome-based pricing or packages. Let's say for this video, you are teaching Quran. Right now, you might charge $25 per hour long session. But what if you take it online and offered an online program for the same price? In person, they get to be in the class with you, they get to ask you questions, but you can change that online. And here, you give them the same thing. You give them the sport, structured lessons, a community, which is exactly what they are paying you for in person. But now that fixed hour you spend with your students, plus the 30 minutes of prep and follow-up, driving to a certain location, waiting for students to come, changes to servicing multiple students online globally. Now you are getting paid for the outcome and the system, not just your time. This is how you go from earning $2,000 a month to 10K to 100K a month without working triple the hours, because you are creating assets and systems that serve people without trading every single hour of your time. The one thing about pricing, you charge based on demand, not based on how many qualifications you have or how much experience you've accumulated. It's about how many people are queuing up to work with you. If you are full of clients, you are too cheap, and you should definitely raise your prices. If you're not full, you're not marketing hard enough. You're always balancing between these two states. Now, people need a place to learn more about your offer. This is called a landing page. It has only one goal: get them to take action. And I can tell you the exact reason you are racking your sales is due to your landing page, because you're not speaking to their pain point. So you want to start with a clear promise that speaks to their pain, like a big main headline. For example, learn how to make your first 10K online with a halal business. But no, even this is not clear enough. Like, what kind of halal business? Dropshipping, e-commerce, content creation. So be more specific with the headline. And you also want to keep it short, like how to memorize Quran with a weak memory and a busy schedule. I will sign up for that program instantly because it speaks to my pain point and my problem. Then add a sub-headline. Over the next 8 weeks, you will learn the exact system I used to build a 10K per month halal agency with a money-back guarantee. And then comes your explanation video, a VSL or video sales letter. By the way, you can check out my page in the description as well to get a clear picture. You'll see a headline, a sub-headline, and then me speaking directly to the camera, telling you exactly what you got inside. You do not want to make this an hour-long deep podcast. Just keep it simple and to the point, because this is not some iShowSpeed YouTube live stream. It's your sales pitch, and it only has to answer 4 things: what it is, what they get, why they need it, why they should trust you. Let me break this down real quick. What is it? This is my 4-week business mentorship designed to help Muslim entrepreneurs scale their businesses online. What they get? You get weekly group coaching calls with me where I review your business, critique your content, and give you 3 to 4 tactical next steps to break past your current constraint. You also get access to our private community of Muslim entrepreneurs, a complete video course library covering everything from growing your online personal brand to generating sales. And you also get access to me for your stupid questions. Why you need it? Because right now, you are struggling to make sales online. You are putting in the effort, creating content, maybe even running ads, but you are not seeing the results you want. That's because you are missing the framework that actually works. The one that have generated millions of views and hundreds of thousands of dollars for businesses online. Why trust me? Here are some testimonials from Muhammad, who went from 0 to 10K per month in just 90 days. Here's Fatima, who built a 6-figure halal coaching business. And you know what? Here's my guarantee. If you implement everything and don't get any value from it, I will refund you in full and will personally review what went wrong. And then just end the sales video with a call to action. That's it, pretty much. No fluff. Okay, so Alhamdulillah, you now have a clear offer and a landing page. But we are still facing a much bigger problem. How do I get people on my landing page and make them buy? Because most people coming to your landing page from the content or ads will visit once and never come back. And these are your cold audience, and you need to warm them up with your offer. And this is where you get their email address, where you basically send a series of emails every single day for 7, 30, or 60 days. And every email should have a call to action that links to your landing page. In fact, I believe 200 people on your mailing list is probably going to make you more money than 100K followers on Instagram. But wait, how do I get people on my mailing list in the first place? Excellent question. Who's something called a lead magnet? We need to create a page where people enter their email address in exchange for something valuable. And please don't offer some generic free risk mastery or free ebook on productivity. They don't work anymore. You need to offer something that solves an actual problem they're facing. It could be an actual course or free in-depth training. There's a link in the description where you put your email and it gives you access to everything that can help you build a 100K personal brand online. No, the one mistake to avoid here is that your lead magnet should not be everything you know dumped into a 100-page PDF. Nobody reads those. Instead, give them one complete solution to one single problem. Better to be a painkiller for a headache than a vitamin for general health. To be honest, this is probably the hardest part, and where most people quit. All of this landing page, email, lead magnet, blah, 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 blah. All of it is useless if you can't get your message in front of your ideal client. And the best possible way to do that is by creating content on social media. And there are mainly 2 forms of content, long form and short form. And both of them do the same thing. Drive people to your lead magnet. Your lead magnet puts them on your email list. Your emails send them to your landing page where they become paying clients. But for all that to happen, you need to get people to actually watch your content. For YouTube, the most difficult thing is packaging content that people want to watch, because no one is interested in how to learn Arabic. They are looking for how I self-learned Arabic in 30 days as a non-native Arabic speaker. You don't want to just show up at a stranger house and beg them to buy from you. Tell me, you need to give, then give some more value for absolutely free, solve their problems, share your knowledge for absolutely free, and then eventually your call to action will work. Okay, let me summarize this entire system for you, because this is your exact roadmap to your first 100K halal online, inshallah. First, you create content on YouTube or short form platforms. That content has a call to action that sends people to your lead magnet. Your lead magnet is on a page where you collect their email address in exchange for something really valuable. Once they're on your mailing list, give them insane value while building trust in you and your expertise. Every single email has a call to action linking to your landing page. Your landing page has a clear headline, a sub-headline, and a VSL where you explain your offer. You can check out my links in the description so that you can see exactly how I structure my landing pages. You can copy my format if you want to. Okay, now all of this is built around your perfect avatar, your ideal client, the person you absolutely love working with. Every piece of content you create is speaking directly to that person. And as you scale, you are moving away from charging per hour toward charging for programs and mentorship, weekly mentorship. Basically, you are creating systems, assets, and communities so that you are not forever trapped trading time for money. Half of you might just want to copy me and implement this for yourselves. That's completely fine. That's why I'm sharing this, of course. For those of you who don't want to go through the pain of doing this all alone, I am showing you my entire playbook. I'm hiding nothing because I know that those of you who are meant to work with me will see the value. And those who want to do it themselves have everything they need to get started. If this video has given you value, check out all the links in the description, sign up for my email list. Even if you never plan to work with me, you're still going to get some insane value from it, inshallah. And if you're someone who wants direct mentorship, who wants me to personally review your business and help you grow online and generate sales, absolutely check out my main offer. I would love to work with you, inshallah. Okay, see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Keep it halal.